Welcome to Hannover, Germany on this cold winter day in January. I'm here at DOMOTEX 2024 and I'm going to show you the inside of it. Come and join me. So here at DOMOTEX, as you can see all around me, there are various different stalls, and each stall is selling a set of unique rugs. I'm going to introduce you to one of the rug vendors that we work with here. So I'm visiting one of our vendors here, Spar Carpet. How are you?
Good, Ali. How are you?
Good, it's good to see you.
Always a pleasure.
So I see a beautiful rug here on the wall. Is that a new collection that you have?
Yeah, that's a new collection.
Okay.
And the highlight about this collection, it's made with wool and sari silk. You're aware about the sari silk, right?
Yes, it's the recycled silk. Is that correct?
Yes, let me just brief you about that. It's
Sure.
basically recycled form of pure silk, the saris which Indian women wear. So we collect the thread and make the waste of the saris and make a thread out of it. This rug is made from that thread.
It's beautiful. And the purple here, that's the sari silk. Is this a high-low pile? It looks like the base was cut here.
Yeah, that's a high-low pile, and the technique is called gultaras, in which we leave the base as it is, and we don't cut the design. So the base goes down and the design goes up. Gives a very good luxurious effect to that.
Now I see you have some beautiful grass design rugs
Yeah.
here.
So basically, you know about the grass design. So we have started making grass design in sari silk. So I mean, these are the vibrant colors of sari silk.
Yes.
Which we dye them, and these are the colors of the grass which ultimately comes out, and it looks stunning, as you can see.
Yeah, the colors pop out really nicely.
Yeah,
What I love about these designs is that you can use it in almost in any setting.
100%, and it's like a very good piece for lounge and good with the couch, and especially with the young generation, they like colors and very nice and pop-up colors. Yeah, this is a very good thing for them.
Well, Sparsh, thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it.
Always a pleasure. Thank you.
So I'm here with Dinesh here from Jaipur Rugs. How are you, Dinesh?
Good, how are you?
Good to see you
Good
again.
to see you again.
So I wanted to ask you about this rug. It's a beautiful rug. This seems like one of the most sought after rugs here in the show, right?
Yeah. So this is a 88 quality, the Kavi collection, and this is a wool with bamboo silk, and this is a hand knotted. This is a 64 knots per square inch. So this is our best seller design.
And I see that you have a little bit of a high-low pile.
Yeah, you can see. I'll show you. So this part is high and low.
Yes.
This is a bamboo silk.
Okay.
And this part is a wool. So like 80% bamboos and 20% silk wool. You can see the pattern of the design, and this is the green. So you know right now green is coming in trend.
Yes.
So every customer, the designer, they wants green. So that's why we develop the green color. You can see the green pattern here, there.
With a few other rugs that you have as
Yeah, yeah.
well. And what I like is that you're using different shades of green. Like you have more of a darker around the border, and then
Yeah.
you go more lighter, softer green
Light.
on the top.
You can see the light green,
Yes.
then dark. You can see different type of green.
You know, this is what I love about Jaipur Rugs so much. They're being so innovative with all these new rugs that
Yeah.
are being produced, and that's why we like to return to them as a vendor. Well, thank you so much for
Thank
your
you.
time.
Thank you so
Always
much.
a pleasure.
Good. Thank you.
Thank you. So one of the main reasons that vendors like us come to DOMOTEX is to see the new merchandise that has come out. And this beautiful pink rug is something that I found very interesting because we don't have too many pink rugs in our store. And not only is the color nice and soft and somewhat neutralized, but what I love about this, besides this colorful border, is how soft the center is. And this has become more of like a beautiful, soft transitional piece that I can feel would work in a lot of homes of the clients that I have. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Rouzati Rugs. And don't forget to check out our blog on rouzatirugs.com, where we share some great information about rugs in general. Thanks for watching.